just like God up into the air, no doubt. Hey, Cop, the cow, always good hearing you, sir.
So we want a little DX rolling up the old coast, no doubt. 122 waving.
North Carolina. 122, you making too much noise down here in Georgia, no doubt about it. 122, rocking LeRoy Brown in Georgia, waved again.
Yeah, we got LeRoy Brown out of Georgia and 44 North Carolina. You both just rolled right on through that go around. Absolutely did. Sounding good. 122 Maine bumping it back.
410, take care. 122 in Maine, LeRoy Brown in Georgia, Albany, Georgia, getting on down.
Have yourself a good day. LeRoy Brown absolutely cleared it up that go around. Hey, and 44, good sounding station, just so Mother Nature hasn't quite settled over you. She's being fickle. 122, we're waving.
How about you?
Damn, your receive is amazing, because I heard him key out, but I couldn't quite pull him out of the static.
We're on the beam here.
Roger.
Hey, 122, 713 in Virginia.
Hey, and 713 Virginia, wave a hand at you, sir. Sounding good up here in Maine.
We're waving a hand to Maine. 444 Georgia gonna wave and get out of the way. 122-058 Virginia, Mobile, waving. Miss 444 out of Georgia, and I'm gone.
058 Virginia. That old Mobile rolled on through the receive. And boy, oh boy, 444 Georgia, you just rattled my speaker, absolutely did. 122, hey, we're letting you guys know.
122 in Maine, we gonna wave and get out of the way. Say 73s and God bless in your trees. 444 Georgia, told you that, and I'm gone.
Have a good day, 444, absolutely got some real good audio on that radio. 122 back out.
Appreciate the info there. Say some of them flowers for yourself. 122 in Maine, and I'm gone. 122 in Maine. 122 with the wave up down.
058, that old Mobile's rolling on through, absolutely is. I didn't want to cut you short. Hey, 058 Virginia, just want to bump it down one more time. Let you know that old Virginia Mobile is making it up here to the old northeast corner.
How about there, 122? Hey, 122 around Maine, 64 out here around North Carolina, waving.
Hey, and good afternoon, 64 North Carolina, 122 waving right back.
Alright there, 122, sounding all kind of good out here around North Carolina. Had to bump this whole tube pill down and wave my hand at you. Hey, take care,
73s and God bless. And 444 Georgia, you're gonna get back wide.
And 64, you take care. Have yourself a good day. That old two pills working for you. 122 Maine back out. Bye-bye.